Are your AirPods not working during calls from your iPhone? Maybe you can hear the other person, but they can't hear you. Or the mic just randomly cuts out. Don't worry, this is a common issue and it happens due to settings problems or some connection glitch in your AirPods. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix it fast. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check microphone settings. Let's make sure your AirPods mic is working properly. Get your iPhone and go to Settings, but I'll just tap Bluetooth. On Bluetooth settings, tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. Scroll down to Microphone, tap on it. Now make sure it's set to automatically switch AirPods. You'll have two more options so you can switch between them to test your issue. This can fix mic issues that randomly happen during calls. Solution 2. Reset your AirPods. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods and test the mic again. Solution 3. Update iOS. Backdated iOS version can also cause such issues. To fix this, open Settings, tap General, and select Software Update. If any updates are available, just download and install them. Updates come with bug fixes and can solve your problems. Solution 4. Reset network settings. If there is a problem in the network settings of your iPhone, it can cause issues like this. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Bluetooth settings, Wi-Fi passwords, and related network settings and hopefully fix the problem. And guys, that's basically it. Now you know how to fix if your AirPods are not working on calls. So, thanks a lot for watching till the end, and be sure to give this video a like if you found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well if you want more solutions just like this. Goodbye for now.